So problem number 8. See the problem. Construction Company Limited supplies following information relating to contract X and Y. Construction company having two contracts X and Y for the year ending 31st March 2003. Particulars then X and Y. Contract price X 4 lakh, Y 1,10,000. Material issued X 1,40,000, Y 30,000. Material returned to stores X 16,000, Y 6,000. Plant issued X 2 lakhs, Y 30,000. Material lost on account of fire X 8,000, Y 5,000. Crane hire charges X 40,000, Y 6,000. Labor cost X 60,000, Y 54,000. General overhead X 15,000, Y 3,600. Direct expenses X 5,000, Y 800. Work certified X 3 lakh, Y 1 lakh. Work uncertified X 32,000, Y 4,000. Cash received from contractee 2,88,800 X 92,000 Y. Additional informations. Estimated cost for completion 27,000 and 22,200. Date of commencement X 1/4/2002, Y 1/12/2002. Target date of completion X 30th March 2003, Y 31st March 2003. Depreciation is charged on plant on straight line method at 12% per annum. Prepare contract account for X and Y separately, showing the profit to be transferred to profit and loss account and extracts of balance sheet relating to two contracts. Here first prepare the contract account for X Limited. Account debit credit for the year ending 31st March 2003. Here material issued for X 1,40,000. Plant issued for X 2 lakhs. Crane hire charges 40,000. Labor cost 60,000. General overhead 15,000. Direct expenses 5,000. All these expenses are given. Then material returned to stores 16,000 given. Then by material lost on account of fire, material lost on account of fire 8,000. Then by plant at site is given, that is original balance or opening balance 2 lakh. Out of this depreciation, we are asked to charge a depreciation 12%, 24,000. So plant at site is 17,600. That we have to calculate. Here plant at site is not given, but we are asked to charge the depreciation. So when we are asked to charge the depreciation, we have to charge it and we have to calculate the closing balance of plant or plant at site. So this is the opening balance or 2 lakh plus minus depreciation. So 17,600 is the plant at site. Now work in progress, work certified is given, work uncertified is also given. So now the total is, by adding all these, 5,32,000. 5,32,000. The difference is 72,000. It is known as the notional profit. Then by balance, by notional profit brought down 72,000. Now you have to calculate calculation of percentage of work certified to contract price. For 4 lakh, it is 3 lakh. Then for 100, how much? It is 75%. So calculation of notional profit transferred to profit and loss account is 2/3 of notional profit transferred to profit and loss account. That is notional profit into 2/3 into cash received divided by work certified. So cash received is 2,88,000. Then work certified is 3 lakh. So answer is 46,080. So 46,080 is transferred to profit and loss account. Then here one more thing is there, that is here estimated cost for completion X 27,000, Y 22,200. Date of commencement 1/4/2002, Y 1/12/2002. Target date of completion is 30th March 2003. So depreciation is target. Here estimated cost for completion. An adjustment is given, but for that we have no other informations, so we have not taken that estimated cost, so need not take it. We will prepare the contract account for the given period. Yes, enough. Then again we are asked to prepare a contract account for Y also. You just see the problem how Y's contract account here appears. Contract account for year ending 31st here March 2003 it is. Again here material issued for Y is 30,000, it is given in the problem. Plant issued to the material issued, plant issued to Y is 30,000. Crane hire charges of Y is 6,000. Labor cost of Y is 54,000. General overhead of Y is 3,600. Direct expenses of Y is 800. Then material returned Y is 6,000. Material lost by fire Y is 5,000. Then we again here also you have to calculate plant at site. Original balance of plant 30,000 less depreciation at 12%. Here period of the plant, it is also taken into account only 4 months. It is only 4 months. So 1,200, 28,800 comes. Then work in progress, work completed plus work uncertified plus uncertified 1,04,000, 1,04,000. So here also notional profit. And again here 91% is completed. 91% is completed. So for the contract Y, we have to prepare calculate estimated profit. Estimated profit is nothing but contract price minus estimated cost. That worked out problem I will send it to you. So let's go over.